Going guys, Marshall with Hiner Outdoor Living, and this is part 3 of one of the most spectacular projects we've done this year. If you've missed the beginning episodes, please go back, check out part 1 and 2, where we have the majority of the construction happening. And on this one, we got the final details of Omar and crew finishing up everything, and I hope you guys liked it as much as I do. So stay tuned and watch this video. Hope you enjoy.
We are the yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
Apparently I too much landscaping and not enough golf. Almost. Oh. Yeah! Omar just outdoes himself each and every time. I feel like every time we get a new job, Omar outdoes himself. The most challenging falls we've ever had, by far. We have, 10 feet of elevation with 12 feet of run, and he just crushed it. There's so many little decisions that need to happen in such a small space. I think he just did a really, really good job. I'm really proud of him right now. This is awesome.
This job has taken about 2 months, but we finally got it wrapped up. We are done with this phase. We will be back next time in the spring to get some plants, finish out the grass, and really bring it all together. Overall, this project turned out immaculate. Can't wait to get the patio in, the plants around there to really help soften up everything. But as it is, this project is phenomenal. I love the falls. It is going every which way. So much interest with all the height that Omar had to work with that bridge. I just love how it all came together with the putting green and just the artistry of the rock work and overall design. Couldn't ask anything more of Omar, and it was just as good as it gets. If you want to come back to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.